Hey guys, welcome to part 4 of To-Do application. In this we are going to install and configure all the front-end packages. So let's get started by stopping the server and let me clear it once. And we have to go back to our main directory. In order to continue further, you must have Node and npm installed on your system already. If you haven't done, just Google it out how to install it and you will be able to do that. After that, we need to install Vue CLI. So go to this URL. It will be given in my description. And we are going to use this npm version to install the Vue CLI globally. I have already done this. You just have to copy this command and run it on your system and it will install it. In order to verify the installation, we have to check the Vue version. So let me go and check it. Vue version. And yes, I have 4.5.12 installed. Now that is done, we need to create a project. To create a project, there are two methods actually. One is with the help of this command and other one is by using the UI. So first of all, we are going to use this command to create it. So Vue create and name of the project. I'm going to call this as to do, but I will rename the folder to be frontend. And over here we are going to select it manually because I need to install some packages extra. So go down to router because we are going to use router. Press spacebar to select anything and then this is what I want, so I'm going to press enter. I will install 2x because 3x is not yet compatible with all the packages that we are going to use, so 2x. Yes, just press this as yes and go down to prettier and use that because I like using prettier, that is a formatting tool, and save on lint on save, sorry. I like keeping everything in package.json, so you can just choose whatever you want, but I'm going to choose the second one. I don't want to save this. Now while this is getting installed, let me tell you the other packages that we are going to install it over here. First of all, we are going to use this Vuetify package because it will help us design beautiful UI. And second one we are going to install is this Axios. This will help us in making requests to the backend server. So to install the Vuetify, we just have to use this command and it is under getting started and installation. So let's go ahead and wait for this Vue CLI to complete the project creation. Now the installation is complete and as we can see, we are given these two commands. First of all, to navigate inside the directory and second to run the server. So before anything, let me just rename this folder to frontend. And then we are going to navigate inside this frontend folder. Now before adding any packages, let me just show you how it looks without any package and how it will look after the package installation, just so that you are able to verify that you have installed the packages correctly. So it was npm run serve. It will take some time and here we go. It has been successfully compiled and now we can go to this URL to view it. And here I am on this URL. As you can see, this looks something like this and about page is also there. So let me stop this and add the package. For that, the command is vue add Vuetify. But please make sure that you add Vuetify before any doing code changes because this will override everything. Now over here, I'm just going to select the default one. Now the installation of Vuetify is done. Let me clear the screen and let's install the Axios. But we'll install the Axios in a different way. So we'll use the UI version of this. So Vue space UI and we'll install the Axios from there. So this is the project dashboard and just to verify over here, To-Do application is already loaded. and we'll go in the plugins, and we can see all the plugins that we have already installed, and we need to add one more plugin, that is Axios, and we'll select the first one, install Vue plugin. Now the plugin has been installed, and click on finish installation. To verify whether it is installed or not, we can just check. We can check in the plugin section, and we can see this Vue CLI plugin Axios. And let me run the server once to verify the installations. npm run serve. It will take some time, and the server building is completed. We can visit this URL, and if we visit the URL, as you can see, the design has been changed a lot. Thus we can verify that we have successfully installed all the plugins. So that's it for this video, guys. In the next one, we are going to fetch all the records available on the backend and load them and show them on the front end side. See you in the next one.